our world has changed. We are crazily busy dealing with the backlog. We've got stamp duty changes have just happened. Our negs, our team, our staff are absolutely run off their feet. But we're also challenging getting those guys settled. We're also dealing with trying to generate more leads. Now, we had challenges before. We've already just been through the tenant fee ban. We've got Roper looming around the corner. We really need to start to focus on our business and make sure that we're doing what we need to do to see us through the next 3 years. And as a result of that, as you know, we've been working with agents over the last few years, and we've got so many different things that we can do to help people. But we have created 3 brand new workshops that we want to share with you. They're all focused on getting you started again, giving you a boost, giving you some new ideas of things that you can do to massively grow your business, start to get less crazy, start to get more focused and be more organized in your business so that you can actually start to focus on what's really important. We're also focusing on what leads you can generate and new ways you can generate massive amounts of leads and do different things to what all your competitors are doing. And finally focusing on the profit, because so many businesses that we've seen are just not making enough money. They're just getting more landlords, they're getting more and more business, they're doing more and more, but ultimately they're still not making any more profit, and that's just crazy. And so we've created 3 different events that I want to share with you. If you click the link below, you can hop over and have a look. And these are exclusively for sales and letting agents on basically getting your business where you want it to be. Whatever your challenge, whether you're brand new, whether you've been doing it for 5 years or whether you've been doing it for 30 years, it doesn't matter. We all sometimes need a little bit of a boost and a little bit of motivation, and that's what this is all about. So click the link below, hop over and have a look, and I'll tell you a little bit more over the other side. Thank you.